Hello, I'm Paul Abueve, owner of Abueve Builders, and I'm excited to share with you our virtual tour of the Pitsfield Zero Energy Home. Completed in 2023, the home was designed to be affordable, energy efficient, and environmentally friendly. It consists of a modestly sized main house connected by a four-season breezeway to a combination garage, storage, and workplace. The shell of the main house was built using insulated concrete formed walls on a slab-on-grade, frost-protected shallow foundation. Additional construction details ensured an exceptionally airtight structure. The breezeway is built using 2x4 wood construction with an additional 2 inches of exterior rigid foam and also sits on a frost-protected shallow foundation. Lastly, the garage is built using 2x4 wood construction on a traditional concrete stem wall. The exterior is clad with pre-finished LP SmartSide siding and trim. This combined with fiberglass entry doors, Anderson 100 series Fibrex windows, and standing seam metal roofing provides a durable, almost zero maintenance exterior. There is no grass on site. The surrounding disturbed areas were allowed to return to a native state that do not require maintenance and attract birds and other pollinators. 3-foot wide river rock maintenance beds around the house add protection from encroaching vegetation, improve drainage, and control erosion from roof runoff. A highly insulated exterior greatly reduces the heating and cooling loads of the house. A 2-ton ducted mini split was plenty sufficient to keep the home comfortable even on the coldest days of winter. Meticulously designed and installed ductwork with almost zero duct leakage ensured smooth and quiet air distribution with very even temperature throughout the house. A hybrid heat pump water heater, combined with a hot water recirculation system and water sense fixtures, provides efficient hot water while at the same time reducing waste and ensuring that hot water is available as soon as the faucets are turned on. The use of all LED lighting and Energy Star appliances further contribute to the home's low energy usage. The house is equipped with a 6.48 kilowatt solar array, which produced 6.9 megawatts in the 2024 calendar year. The hot tub shown in the tour and car charging were not included in the calculations for determining the size of the array. Battery storage was not installed. However, space next to the main electrical panel in the garage was laid out for their addition in the future. This main panel feeds a sub-panel in the mechanical room of the house to provide all of the electrical connections for the circuits in the house. The home also features an epoxy-coated floor in the garage and zero clearance entry into the home. 3-foot wide doorways throughout the home make all areas of the home accessible to all persons regardless of abilities. Raised outlets and slightly lowered switches make them accessible to wheelchair users. The Tuliakivi soapstone fireplace is a closed combustion system that is incredibly efficient at providing supplemental heat. The fireplace has an earth tube intake that pre-warms the incoming combustion air. The soapstone is an exceptionally good thermal mass that absorbs the heat and will continue to radiate the heat for hours after the fire is out. The HVAC ductwork system was also laid out in a way to help distribute this heat throughout the house. In fact, although the mini split system can heat the house by itself, it is possible to heat the entire house without the need for the mini split. The dimensions of the bathroom and inclusion of a curbless shower allow it to be made fully ADA accessible with only the replacement of the vanity being necessary. The concrete slab for the home was polished to create the finished flooring throughout the house. All the door trim and kitchen cabinets were made with hickory from the site. A CERV ventilation system from Build Equinox ensures healthy indoor air quality. Stale air is returned from the bathrooms, kitchen, and laundry, and fresh air is supplied to the return air plenum of the mini split to be distributed throughout the house. The CERV is fully integrated with the mini split. It monitors temperature, humidity, CO2, and VOC levels, and can activate ventilation, heating, or cooling in response. A combination of timers and humidity sensors in the bathrooms can boost the ventilation airflow when needed. The boost feature is also integrated into the range hood. The range hood is set up as a recirculating system. When the range hood is turned on, the hood filters the air above the range and redirects it towards a return air vent for the CERV. This eliminates an additional vent to the outside and the subsequent energy waste associated with it. The house boasts many energy efficient and environmentally conscious features, but the success of the project is the satisfaction for the homeowner. His name is Rich Keith, and I'd like to give him some time to share his experiences with building and living in the home.
Well, Brenda and I had been considering building a new house and as much efficiency stuff as we could work into it for quite a number of years. And then meeting Paul actually was what really triggered us to go for the idea of the net zero home. So much of what Paul did, I don't know construction methods. So much of what Paul did was I found all fascinating and interesting, and he always had a reason. When I saw something that I didn't understand, he would explain it to me, and it always made sense. So that was perfect. I loved the process and learning about how I put things together. Um, so I have to say, I think that putting my trust into someone that I believed was going to do a good job and do it in an environmental fashion really paid off. I think that was the biggest one of the biggest satisfactions from the whole process. Oh,
Everything.
it's really the whole experience in total. Just for instance, we chose bright colors for our walls, which we'd never had before, and I'm so happy that we did that. It just makes it a pleasure every time we walk in the house. But also the coating on the garage floor, I just smile every time I walk into the garage to see that. But then we come into the house, and this concrete floors that are polished are so easy to keep clean. Just Swiffer over them, and they're clean again. I'm not saying they're perfect, but they look good. All of the woodwork, of course, looks so good in the Thule Kiwi. The air quality last year with the Canadian wildfires, which were present for the whole summer, and the smell of smoke outside. We never smelled smoke inside. We keep our windows closed all the time because the system does such an efficient job of cleaning the air. And with the ICF walls, our temperature is pretty constant, so we don't have to spend a lot. I think even contrary to that, I think my lifestyle is better. Some things like I had been convinced forever the gas stove was more efficient than, the control of the heat on and off, and better cooking and so on and so forth. Well, this induction heating is every bit as responsive as the gas ever was, with a much more efficient and non-polluting source of cooking. So right through things that I wanted from this house, have been achieved and exceeded, and just if anything, I've had to learn to have an easier life.
Thank you for joining us on the tour of the Pitsfield Zero Energy Home. I would like to recognize Eric Hughes of Image Design for the design of the home, David Meter of Custom Home Energy Services for the energy rating and testing, and Brett Little of the Green Home Institute for his help in certifying the home with the LEED for Homes program. Once again, my name is Paul Abueve, and if you would like to know more about this project, please feel free to reach out to us on our website at abuevabuilders.com.